Have you ever booked a hotel that looks great online, but you're not sure how it really feels once you arrive? In this video, we're sharing a transparent and informative stay review of An Phu Hotel in Phu Quoc, covering the location, check-in experience, room tour, amenities, breakfast, cleanliness, safety, and finally, who this hotel is actually best for. This is not a luxury resort review, and it's not meant to be promotional. It's a realistic look at what you get, what you don't get, and whether An Phu Hotel makes sense for your trip to Phu Quoc. Let's start with the location, which is one of the hotel's strongest points. An Phu Hotel is located in Duong Dong, the main town area of Phu Quoc. It's close to Long Beach, making it easy to reach the beach for a morning walk or sunset without needing transportation. The hotel is also near Duong Dong Market and the Phu Quoc Night Market, with plenty of local restaurants, cafés, convenience stores, and massage shops within walking distance. For travelers who like to explore on foot, this area is very practical. In terms of transportation, Phu Quoc International Airport is about 13 kilometers away. A Grab ride usually costs around $4 to $6, depending on traffic and time of day, and takes roughly 20 to 30 minutes. There's also a free VinBus shuttle that runs from the airport to the hotel area. If you're traveling light and don't have much luggage, this can be a good budget-friendly option. VinBus stops are located close to the hotel as well, which makes it easier to explore the town and reach attractions like Phu Quoc Wonderland without renting a motorbike. Overall, the location is central, convenient and well-connected, especially for travelers who want easy access to town life rather than a secluded resort setting. The check-in process was smooth and straightforward. At check-in, the hotel requires a 500,000 Vietnamese dong deposit. This is standard practice here and is fully refunded at checkout, as long as there's no damage or missing items. Staff communication was clear, and the process didn't feel rushed or complicated. Nothing stood out as exceptional, but nothing caused problems either, which is honestly what most travelers want after a long journey. We stayed in a superior double or twin room. The room size is about 30 square meters, which feels comfortable for 2 people and doesn't feel cramped. Guests can choose between 1 king bed or 2 single beds, depending on availability. Our room was a city view, and we had a nice view of the river, which was a pleasant surprise for a hotel in this price range. We booked well ahead of time, and the cost came to about $25 per night for 2 people, including breakfast. For Phu Quoc, that places this hotel firmly in the budget to mid-range category. The room layout is simple and practical, designed more for comfort than style. Inside the room, you'll find the basic amenities needed for a comfortable stay. These include air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, a mini fridge, an electric kettle, a safe box, and complimentary bottled water. There is also wardrobe space, along with a desk and chair, which is useful for light work or planning the day. Free Wi-Fi is available in the room, and during our stay it worked reliably. There are no luxury touches here, but the room delivers on practicality and functionality, something many travelers value more than appearances. The bathroom was clean and functional. It includes a hot shower with good water pressure, basic toiletries, towels, and a hairdryer. The design is simple, but everything felt well-maintained and hygienic. No issues with drainage or water temperature during the stay. This is an area where expectations are important to set clearly. An Phu Hotel does not have a swimming pool or a gym, so travelers who consider these amenities essential may want to consider other options. The facilities here are limited to essentials, including an elevator, seating areas, free parking, and luggage storage. Breakfast is available as an add-on to your booking and is served as a buffet. The selection is simple but satisfying. There are local and basic Western options, fresh fruits, bread, and hot dishes. One nice touch is that eggs are cooked on site, so you can request them freshly made rather than pre-cooked. The view from the breakfast area is excellent, adding a calm and pleasant start to the day, especially in the morning light overlooking the surrounding area. This isn't a luxury breakfast spread, but for the price, it's more than reasonable and filling. Cleanliness was very good throughout the stay. Rooms were cleaned properly, common areas were tidy, and nothing felt neglected. Furniture is well maintained and functional. For budget-conscious travelers, this level of cleanliness is reassuring. In terms of safety and security, the hotel has CCTV cameras installed in common areas, including shared spaces and corridors. An Phu Hotel is not a luxury hotel, and it doesn't try to present itself as one. There is no swimming pool, no gym, and no resort-style facilities. Instead, the focus here is on providing a comfortable and practical stay at a reasonable price. What the hotel does well is the basics. It offers a strong central location, clean and comfortable rooms, good value pricing, and a buffet breakfast that includes freshly cooked eggs and an enjoyable view from the dining area. Transportation is also convenient, with easy access to nearby attractions and public transport options. This hotel is best suited for budget-conscious travelers, couples, or solo visitors who plan to spend most of their time exploring Phu Quoc rather than staying inside the hotel. It's especially suitable for those who prioritize location, cleanliness, and value over extra amenities. If you're looking for a quiet and affordable base in Duong Dong that reliably covers the essentials, An Phu Hotel is a solid and practical choice. Based on our experience, we genuinely felt we got more than we expected for the price we paid, especially for a stay on such a beautiful island. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the related video on your screen for more fascinating content. Explore our channel for even more exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Gazette for more incredible stories. Your support means everything to us. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.